So, we are diving into a new section called trigonometry. So, trigonometry has derived its name from two Greek words known as tregnon, tregnon and metron. Okay, this tregnon has a meaning of triangle and measure. Metron means measure. Okay, so actually trigonometry deals with something related to triangle. So actually it's the trigonometric ratios is defined as the ratios of the sides of a right triangle. So before going to into a large field of trigonometry, we need to have some ideas about some simple words known as word known angle. So angle. So first we are thinking about angle. So angle, this is the measure of an angle is the amount of rotation from the initial side to the terminal side. So this is initial side and this is the terminal side. Okay, and this angle is theta. So I think you are clear with the term angle. So next we need to go into a word known as right triangle. So you need to know, all of you know this, but I am just explaining this you once more. A right triangle. So right triangle is a triangle whose one angle is 90 degree. Let me ABC. They put this angle as theta. So we will be defining these trigonometric ratios based on this triangle and based on this angle theta. So considering this angle theta, that is angle at A, this side BC side is the opposite side to this angle, so it's known as opposite side, and this AB side is the adjacent side, so we'll be denoting as edge. So if whenever you see this op and edge, you should remember that it's opposite side and this edge means adjacent side, and AC, it's a hypotenuse. Okay, so you need to remember all these things full across this lecture. So I will be defining this trigonometric ratio. There are six trigonometric ratios. So before going to that, you need to know why. So what is the use of trigonometry? So I think there is a vast majority of things we can do with the trigonometry. First, so you are diving into this basic trigonometry. The most thing you will be coming across finding the remaining sides of and the angles of a triangle when some of its other sides and angles are given. So that's the first thing you will be doing with this trigonometry basically. So I am going to define some trigonometric ratio. So first one is known as sine theta. So actually when I am writing this sine theta is it's a sine of this angle theta. So it which is equal to this opposite side by hypotenuse. And next one is cos theta. Actually it is cosine of theta. I'll be writing as cos theta, which is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. And next one is tan theta, which is equal to opposite side by adjacent, no, adjacent adjacent side. So actually I have written three basic trigonometric ratio. Now I will dive into other three trigonometric ratio which are the reciprocals of this trigonometric ratio. First is cosec theta, so which is actually cosecant theta. The cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta, which is equal to, you know, that is hypotenuse side by this opposite side. So you have written cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta equal to hypotenuse by opposite side. Next one is secant theta, which is equal to 1 by cos theta, is hypotenuse by adjacent side. Next one is cot theta, which is equal to 1 by tan theta, which is equal to adjacent side by opposite side. Okay, you should remember this all these trigonometric ratios by heart, because we will be using this all across this trigonometry. So I need to say some things about this sin theta, cos theta and this cosec theta. So you know that sin theta equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, and we know this opposite side is greater than no, opposite side is less than hypotenuse. In a right triangle, you know, this hypotenuse is the largest side, so opposite side will be less than hypotenuse. So sin theta will be less than or equal to 1. So this is the important thing you need to remember. And similarly this cos theta will also be less than